Previously on. Coming like you're confused, like you don't know which part Look at him doing his son's projects. What's up, guys? It's about to be a good time. What? What you said? What you said? What you said? Oh yeah, soap to bathe with, soap to wash.
Oh.
You couldn't bring home dinner?
Then tell me that you can't eat in a restaurant since evening.
What?
Come on, I can't take that life.
What?
What video your brother?
We're eating in a restaurant? Because we're sitting down in Tasty's. Who's seen us? Felicia?
No, when you called me, I could tell.
Yeah, we're sitting in Tasty's. We weren't eating.
So just a little Felicia don't.
We seen her pass.
Felicia not call me.
Oh.
Because I don't care picture about the Russian nobody, you know.
What?
You know, handsome people, you have to care about kind of show people there. And then got you the cream, you know. That they go up, you know. You satisfied?
You didn't taste anything a little different?
Huh?
You didn't taste anything a little different? Okay. For dinner, pizza for dinner. I'm so excited, you guys. You know, when I come here, I have to get my Pizza Hut, I have to get my jerkies, I have to get my KFC, my Island Grill, and my Sakura. Was that what you just want to say? Was that what you just want to say? Yeah, so we got half Hawaiian, half barbecue chicken. So excited to eat. If my dad would just come inside so we could eat. And don't eat none of my Pepsi.
No?
Don't eat none of my Pepsi. Don't drink none of my Pepsi.
You say eat.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up! Thank you. Gas, and you gotta walk to the gas station and fill up a water bottle so your car can move. Jamaica struggles. Well, all over the world struggles, but it's worse in the heat. Me? I've never ran out of gas. Never. The worst thing that's ever happened to me in my car was it overheating or not being able to start due to the colds. But that's it. I never ran out of gas. Mommy always gave me gas money. Woo, I'm not spoiled, but I was her chauffeur, so you know, you want the car to move, you gotta pay up. And look for Uncle Trevor. He just got out the hospital. He's been in the hospital. He fell and hit his back on a step, so he was really mashed up. So he's out now, so we're gonna go see him and make fun of him. So he feels better. He doesn't want nobody to come and look for him. What do you say? He doesn't want nothing off the road? Ooh, if you guys could only smell the sea right now. Woo! Fresh salt water. My daddy hasn't taken me to the beach all now. So sad. 2 times now we come to Jamaica. My father don't carry me to the beach. It's not like him.
One time gone, it used to drizzle, now it start rain. Them juvenile, I need to start calling by my last name. We never turn out bad at all, big up Shami. And never rape nobody, girl pick me, I get caught up in the fast lane. We know the dog, them just there on before them can gain. Know the girl, I'm just a fuck, me because me have name. You might not work a back road, but you do the same thing. Every time I drop you up, me don't know to me come like a pay thing. We know the style, we know the style, we know the style, though. Them trick one time, now, but it another time, now. We know the style, we know the style, we know the style, though.
Ooh, full house. At the beach. I'm the only one that's excited. She doesn't know where anything is. She doesn't come to the beach normally, you know?
Who should I
know
talk
anything
to?
about this. This is for my YouTube channel.
What Jesus here,
Yes. It's called a vlog. I video log my days.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah. You're on it though from the last time. You're on it.
Ooh.
You remember when you came to the house and you were in the room? Everybody was laughing when you were like, Sherry can't if you put me pad, if you go up there, put me pad TV and blah blah blah. I'm like, this lady is so insane. Aquasal. I never got to show you guys up this part of Aquasal, but yeah, this is Aquasal. This is the bathroom area, the rinse off area where you come change your clothes. You come put on your drawers and your bras and your things and things like that. Yeah, look, I'm here. Here, it makes me look a little huger than I normally am.
Oh, Jesus, I'm going up in a sun.
Ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wait.
I'm in the car. So we go car back in here. Put in the car. I mean, if you put my clothes there. No, son. I can't manage to suck it together. No, I can't manage.
Woo! Do you guys see my twerk?
I made up a kind of pants every day. I'm going to so.
Oh, I am. I have a whole outfit. Okay, let's go. Maybe I get my strawberry daiquiri.
You see key?
Which key?
The car key.
Ooh, yo, my glow though, it's so popping. Like, this is my color. This is my natural color. This is what I'm supposed to be at all times, you know? So look at my lipstick, how it's just illuminating off of my skin. Woo! Jesus, I got a spirit. So cute. Delroy Brown Data. Vesta Pitney! Something wrong?
No, nothing.
Oh, okay.
I'm just the old woman in the back. I'm just being a background for you.
No backgrounds. I don't have backgrounds on my vlog.
Oh.
Barping. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing. Always on your face. See here, wanna see tree?
Yes, over there. You see that building you're looking at? The fish behind that building there.
These blue ones right here. See, it's not you alone. No. Other people is new too.
You can put
No, I'm gonna keep mine. Cause I have my towels and my towel and stuff.
Let me carry this glorious book. I'm not gonna see you now, you know that one.
Look at her butt. Ooh. Sorry. Go on. Continue.
Don't do that, boy. Boy, don't put me on nothing.
Don't touch me.
Don't put me on nothing.
You can't tell me that.
I don't want to go on.
That's too bad for you. You're already on there.
No Facebook, no.
This is not Facebook.
No, Playboy, no.
Playboy?
Stop it,
nonsense. Watch out, look at the baby crying. Yo, the baby's screaming, yo. Oh God, poor Pitney. That's how Tajio was when he used to come to the beach. This is Oposa. Got England. Which bench? This yellow bench?
You can't get the chair. Oh, we have to the chair, the long.
Hey, tell me if you like it. You always feel good when me touch your butt. You get wet.
I don't know some love alkaline. Baby, I'm alright now, I just some company. Nobody can stress me, nobody but call me.
Anytime you're such a cute little boy. Love me from time to time, but you don't own me. Me no belong to you, baby. Go easy. So dark now, you guys. I want there to be sun, but there's none. My strawberry daiquiri. If you guys never knew, this is my favorite mixed drink ever. Or specialty drink, I guess I should say. And stuff. And yeah, and my aunt is still there in the water. You see her? She's soon look, no real stuff. She's a married woman, she's not gonna look at me like that. Oh, wait. Is she looking? Is she gonna look? Or is she watching her nails? She said she doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel, but that's too bad for her. So anyways, I can't take this into the water. So bye. So I'm leaving. Well, I left the beach. We're on our way to go and grab something to eat. I'm going to my favorite little Chinese place, Sakura Express. I'm going there. I'm gonna get my crispy chicken, of course, and I don't know what else I'm gonna get. I don't know if I want mala or spicy, or I don't know what I'm feeling for yet. I will see when I get there, but I'm so excited because I'm so hungry and I don't eat anything all day. Yeah, I didn't eat anything all day. I had a piece of watermelon.
To Kentucky, they show them Kentucky.
they know Kentucky. There's Kentucky in every country, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Like my outfit, so cute, so hot. Yes, only in Jamaica, you know. Thumbs up. Swing is like coming off of my head. I'm so black. I love my tan. I can't get over it, you guys. Thumbs up for my tan if you guys are feeling my tan, because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What's so funny? Highly effective people. This is the book that she wanted to read on the beach today. She didn't get the chance to read. Oh, please give me back my $500 for the chair that you did not use, that we rented. Okay?
Okay.
$500 for a chair that she did not use except for the last 2 minutes that we were at the beach for. But yeah, see you guys when we get to Sakura.
One time, me did have more friend than this. One time, the world is bigger than this. Stay by ourselves, nobody not to understand this. This never did feel happen so quick, no, we never planned this. Nah, we make it pass all of the drama. When them all up themselves, we keep it calm. Feel like me can conquer the world now. Feel like me can conquer the boy. We'll leap on them, my sister load.
Y'all, this is my meal. Crispy chicken, noodles, and sweet and sour chicken. I think them said this is, I don't know. It look like the Thailand chicken or whatever the other kind of chicken it said. But it's home time now.
Look like them change their mind too late, we change them out though. So we have to say already, so we ain't talk about now though. Talk the truth, when the sister the thing low though. See the work gonna pass and the just can't hold out though. We are everybody problem and it